In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the system language on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher and search for settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Open that up. On the left panel, go down and select system preferences. And then on the right side, underneath languages, select the language in here. And then you can select the option to change the device language by selecting change. Select the language you want to change it to, and then select confirm and restart. And then your system will restart once that language change has been selected and confirmed, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.